Evaluate 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So here you have to use the formula 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x d. Use this formula. So here it is pi by 2. So put here pi by 2 minus x. A is your pi by 2 minus x. So this is equation number 1. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Now this one become sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. So log cos x dx 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Now the equation 1 and this is the equation number 2. So adding these two equations. So here I plus I equal to 2I. 0 to pi by 2, here also 0 to pi by 2, so common. So log sin x, here it is log sin x, so log sin x plus log cos x dx. We know that log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So here log m into n into n and dx. Now there is no formula here sin x into cos x. So we are going to here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So see here multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log 2 sin x into cos x dx divided by 2. So we know that 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x. So this one becomes sin 2x. So I am writing here 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x by 2 here dx. Now I am going to here do log m over n. Log m over n, the formula is log m over n is equal to log m minus log n. Log m over n is equal to log m minus log n. So I am using here now 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 dx here log 2 log m, this is m, so here m log m minus log n. Now here log 2 is a constant term, so outside. So writing here 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. Because log 2 is constant, so outside dx. So 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx is minus log 2 and integration of dx is x. Integration of dx is here, integration of dx is here x. 0 to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus log 2 here pi by 2 minus 0 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sine 2x dx log here 2 into pi by 2. Now suppose this one is I1, this one is equal to I1. So integrate this one. Suppose this is equation number here 3. Equation number 3. Now I have to integrate here for I1 and then after put the value in equation number 3. See here I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sine 2x dx. Let 2x is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x, 2 into 1 is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by 2. Dx is equal to dt by 2. Now here, see here, when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, here x equal to lower limit, x equal to 0, so put here t equal to 0. When x is equal to here pi by 2, so x is equal to pi by 2, so t is equal to here pi by 2, so t is equal to pi. T is equal to pi. Now write down here I1. So I1 is equal to 0 to pi, 0 to pi, lower limit is 0, upper limit is now pi. So 0 to pi log, it is here log sine 2x, 2x is your t, 2x is your t, so t, and dx is your dt by 2, so dt by 2, so by 2 we can write here 1 by 2. Now 0 to pi log sine t dt. Now 1 by 2 integration 0 to, we can write here pi, we can write 2 into pi by 2 sine t dt. So see here, I have already discussed this formula. 0 to 2a fx dx is equal to 0 to a fx dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Here, if f of 2a minus x, if f of 2a minus x is equal to fx, if this one is equal to fx, then here become 2 times 0 to a fx dx. So similarly here 0 to 2a, here 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a, a is your this one, 0 to 2a fx dx. So we can write like this, 2 times 1 by 2 here, 2 times 0 to a, 2 times 0 to a is pi by 2, 0 to a fx dx, fx is sin t dt, sin t dt. So here these 2 and these 2 is cancelled. So you will get here I1 is equal to here I am writing I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin t dt. Now through properties number 1, so we can write here 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx by property number 1. Properties number 1. So we can write 0 to pi by 2 sin t dt, here 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. So I1, we got the I1. So I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Now I am going to put the value of I1. Now from equation 1 and 3, from equation 3, 2I is equal to I1. So I1 value is here 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx minus pi by 2 log 2. And see here 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx is your I. So where I am writing here, so 2I is equal to I minus pi by 2 log 2. Minus pi by 2 log 2. Now transfer I this side. So here 2I minus I equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. So I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. What is your I? I is 0 to pi by 2 sin x log sin x. Here it is log sin x. See here log sin x dx. Log. Here also log. So here also log is missing here. So here log sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is your answer. So integration is 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log